Welcome to MLAC Online Tutorial. Before us is this question, and we have to calculate the energy of the system. Now, if a bulb of a simple pendulum of a mass of 0.025 kilogram is displayed 0.1 meter from its equilibrium position, if the angular frequency is 4 radii per second, and assuming simple harmonic motion. Okay, let's recall that the energy of a simple harmonic motion is 1 over 2 the mass and the amplitude. Okay, alright, and we know that the mass here is given as 0.025, right? Then the angular velocity here is given as the angular speed now is given as 4 radii per second, and the amplitude is given as 0.1 meter. Now I'm plugging in all these values into this. Here we have 1 over 2 now times 0.025 times 4 raised to the power of 2 times 0.1 raised to the power of 2. Okay, now this will give us 1 over 2 times, putting this into fraction, you have 25 all over 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3 times 16 times this will give us 1 over 100. Okay, right. So from here to here, 1, 2 here, 8. Okay, then 5 here, 5 here, 200. Then 5 here, 1, 5 here, 40, 8 here, 1, 8 here, you have 5. Alright, so we are left with 1 over 5 times 1 over 100, and the energy here will be 1 over 500 joules. And this 1 over 500 joules, now this is simply as saying 1 over 5 times 10 to the power minus 2. Then this will give us 0.2 times 10 to the power minus 2, and which also implies this is 2 times 10 to the power minus 3 joules. Alright, final answer. And if you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics, chemistry and mathematics. Thank you and remain blessed.